All right, guys, let's go ahead and start 4.4 homework and get it done. Let's go ahead and write your name and the period number. Let's read for understanding. The math club members want to buy t-shirts to wear during their contest. So immediately put yourself in that position. You're buying t-shirts. They get prices from 3 different shirt companies. They learn that shirt prices may include a printing setup fee in addition to the cost of the shirt. Each shirt company represents its prices in a different way. Okay, so it's possible that we're going to have a setup fee in addition to the cost per shirt. All right, so let's take a look. We've got Shirt World Table. So we've got Company 1. We've got Company 2, Totally Tees, and we've got Company 3, Tees R Us. So they've given it to us in a table, a graph, a rule, and a written. If it's missing, we've got to put it in. So create the missing representations, table, graph, algebraic rule, and or verbal description to describe each company's price. We're going to use S for the number of shirts, so S goes over here. And we're going to use P for the total price. So automatically, I know that when I want to input, goes in the number of shirts. Output comes out the price. So let's see what we've got here. Let's get a graph. So my input goes down here, so number of shirts. And we've got price over here. So number of shirts, let's do, we've got to go up to 15. 12, 14, 15. Okay, so let's go by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We've got to go with prices. We've got to go to 300. So let's go by 50s. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. So at one shirt, which is about halfway, you've got $20, which let's say is about right there. So one shirt's $20. So over here to 5, 5 would be right here, is up to 100. 10 gives you 200. 200 meets 10 right there. And 15 t-shirts, 15 t-shirts is going to be between the 14 and the 16. 15 t-shirts gives you all the way up to $300. Okay, now we've got to come up with a rule. I know my rule is output equals. My output is P, so it's going to start with P. So how do I get from 1 to 20, 5 to 100, 10 times 200, 10 to 200, 15 to 300? Let's see. Well, I could add 19. 1 plus 19 is 20, but 5 plus 19 isn't 100, so that doesn't work. I could multiply by 20. 1 times 20 is 20. 5 times 20 is 100. 10 times 20 is, 200. So we found it. You take the input and you multiply it by 20. That's the process. So you take your input, which is S, and you're going to multiply it by 20. So think about this. So if the price is $20 times the number of shirts, how could we write out what their pricing is? Well, there's definitely no setup fee. And you're just going to pay in cost $20 per, I'm recording.
Hey!
$20 per shirt. So there's no setup fee for that one, and there's $20 per shirt. Okay, so that's Shirt World Table, $20 a shirt. You'd have to sell that for quite a bit to make some money. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The only thing they've given us there is a verbal description. So, Totally Tees charges $10 per shirt plus a one-time print setup fee of $50. So they're going to charge $10 per shirt and a one-time $50 fee just to set it all up. It's probably to set up the equipment or something like that. So you're going to charge $50 just to start, and then $10 per shirt. So let's think about it. For no shirts whatsoever, it's going to cost me $50. For one shirt, it's going to cost me the $10 for the one shirt plus 50. Oh, it just wants price. The price is going to be $60. $50 for the setup fee and $10 for one shirt. Two shirts. It's going to be 50 plus 10 plus 10, because $50 to set up, 10 for the first shirt, 10 for the second shirt, so it's going to be, 70. Now, three shirts is going to be $50. Can I do this? Does this work? Yeah, you can do it. $50 plus three shirts at $10 a piece, so plus 30. So that's going to be $80. So let's make a graph. Again, input goes down here, so number of shirts. Total price goes here, so you've got total price. Number of shirts, let's go, this is 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the price, let's go by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So for 0 shirts, you're already spending $50. Remember that. You've already spent $50. You haven't even made a shirt yet because you have to pay them $50 just to set up the equipment. Now, 1, 60. 2 cost me 70. 3 cost me 80. And I could extend that out. So I could already tell you that 4 t-shirts is going to give you 90. It's because if you follow 4 up and come over, it's going to be 90. So I could already tell you that. Now remember, this is 0, at 0 shirts, it's $50. So you're going to add 50 every single time. So I already know that. So again, it's going to be P equals something, and then you're going to have to add 50 every time just for the setup fee. And it's $10 per shirt. So it's going to be $10 per shirt, 10S, plus 50. I'm going to write that in cursive so it looks a little better. And they've already given us the verbal description. That means that there's a $50 setup fee, and then you're going to pay $10 per shirt. All right, last one. T's are us. T's are us. Let's see. So let's think about this for a second, though. $20 per shirt versus $10 per shirt, but a $50 setup fee. Who do you think you'd go with so far? So far, I might go with them, but let's see. Here's the algebraic rule. The price is equal to $15 per shirt plus $20. Well, that definitely means they have a $20 setup fee and that you pay $15 per shirt. So that's how they go ahead and price it. So let's think about that. If I have 0 shirts, I'm still paying that $20 setup fee. So it's just $20. If I have 1 shirt, I'm paying $15 for that 1 shirt plus the $20 setup fee, so you're getting $35. Let's say we have 2 shirts. So each shirt is $15, so 15 times 2. So you pay $30 for the shirt plus the $20 setup fee. So that's $50. Now the third shirt, 3 shirts, I'm sorry. So $15 times your 3 shirts. So you're going to pay $45 just for the shirts. Plus you're going to pay that $20 setup fee. So you're going to pay $65. Okay, so we've got that. We've got the rule. The rule's already P equals 15S plus 20. Now let's do the graph. Number of shirts, total price, and I'm running out of time, so I'm going to let you guys finish that one, and we'll come back for round 2. Part 2 will be up in just a minute.